Okay, this video is about Mac EFI, the Extensible Firmware Interface. So if you want to know about EFI, so you can search, Google it, like you type Mac EFI means. So the result is here. This security for Apple or Mac is very important. Simple security but very helpful. Okay, the information about EFI is here. So just Google it. How? This video I show you how to on this security, the EFI. Okay, so we have the test unit here, the MacBook Air, the 2014 model. Okay, so first you need to totally off the machine or the MacBook Air. And then after that, you need to press the command key and R together. And then on. We need to go to recovery option for the MacBook Air. So just keep pressing the command and R until you see the logo. And then you can release your finger on the command and R. Just wait. If you own this one, for example, somebody tried to restore or reset your Mac, they cannot do it using USB because before the the USB acceptable, you need to enter the EFI password. So now we are in on the Mac OS recovery. So we need to wait few seconds more. Here you go. So under this recovery, so we need to go to utilities and then startup security utility, and then firmware password protection is off. So we need to on this EFI. So just click this turn on firmware password. Make sure don't forget this password because if you forgot this password, you have trouble. Okay? That's it. On already. Okay, now I try to show you what is EFI. So let's start and hold the option key. As you can see, we have the padlock icon already. So before you can format this one using USB cable, we need to enter the password first. So this laptop, I know, of course, the password. Let me show you. When I enter, I can proceed on formatting or erase everything inside. That's why this simple protection is very, very good and helpful. So that's it. How to on the EFI password. Thank you. Bye-bye.